What is going on, SHIB Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu. Guys, unfortunately, we saw it, dip really bad this morning, early hours. Unfortunately, I was asleep, so I couldn't buy the dip because I told you guys, anytime Shiba Inu drops below 700 Satoshi units, I'm looking to buy more before all the catalysts come about. So people are asking, why is it running sideways? Why did it not, recover as the other cryptocurrencies have been recovering? As you guys can see, Bitcoin approaching 38,000 after the information regarding the El Salvador accepting and approving Bitcoin as a form of currency in their country. A lot of the other cryptos recovered following Bitcoin, but now Bitcoin dominance, as you guys can see, is at 43.6% when it was at 41% prior. So a lot of money is coming into Bitcoin because people are excited, because the supply of Bitcoin, of course, is going to start being, basically pulled out and into the country of El Salvador. So just know that right now, when it comes to Shiba Inu, there's really not much news. We're waiting. The developers have continued to delay SHIBASWAP, and a lot of people are right now coming out, all over the Discord, everywhere else on different platforms saying SHIBASWAP is never happening. They keep delaying because it's not an actual thing. Yada yada yada, etc. Now they haven't given us a tease yet for it, because again, all we know is what the platform looks like. They gave us an image of what the swap looks like as a platform. So for all those naysayers and everything else, why spread FUD if you're not invested into something? And I feel like some of these people who are spreading this FUD saying, SHIBASWAP is not a thing, are individuals who are invested and are just disappointed because they've lost a lot of money. Now, if you're unable to stomach volatility, then why are you holding on to a cryptocurrency in general? This is the most volatile market right now, this day and age. Cryptocurrency is the most volatile, and it's not for everybody. It's not for the weak-handed investor. Of course, my videos are never for financial advice, so I can't tell you whether to buy or sell, but I can tell you guys what I'm doing. And I continue to pounce on this one because of all the upcoming catalysts. As soon as things happen, Robinhood responds, right? You guys know where the petitions are at. 126,000 people have signed the Robinhood petition. 33,000, almost 34,000 have signed the Coinbase petition. Over 1,000 people have signed the Webull listing petition. So these aren't numbers we can overlook. The amount of members that are part of the Shiba Inu army and the SHIB army and Shiba Inu community are expanding and are vast. The fact is, almost 500,000 people hold Shiba Inu today. Just about that number. If this was a rug pull, why would the developers continue to excite individuals, right? It's like, hey, why waste their time when they know they can just, they could have taken advantage a lot earlier, for a lot longer, for a lot more money, but that's not their goal here. These individuals are guys that I truly think have some strong potential, and I do believe in them, regardless of the fact that we don't know who they truly are. The anonymity of it kind of excites me as well. So just know that for me, Shiba Inu is a long-term hold. I'm waiting for these catalysts to come about. Now, speaking of the Webull listing, if you haven't already, go ahead and click the link below for Webull. You get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 into your Webull brokerage account. So between now and the 17th, you have 7 more days. You get 1 free stock for just opening an account, and then you get your second free stock, which is actually the more valuable one, up to $2,000 just there when you deposit your first 100. You don't have to buy any stocks. All you got to do is deposit money, wait for it to settle, and then you get your second free stock. What are the chances of getting these free stocks? So 1 in 100 people will get Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, and Snap, which is Snapchat. 1 in 50 people will get Google, Facebook, Procter & Gamble, Starbucks, Kraft Heinz, or Snap. All these are hundreds of dollars, each individual, except for Snap, I guess. And Google is a $2,000 stock. So you might be one of the lucky few that ends up getting Google. And also with BlockFi, I want to give you guys as much opportunities as possible, especially when the market's kind of bleeding, to get free money. So with BlockFi, they're also offering, if you click the link below in the description, up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. As you guys know, both Webull's a great brokerage, and BlockFi has been a long-standing crypto investment application. So go ahead and check those out. Now back to Shiba Inu. So again, unfortunately, as you guys know, we know for sure we have at 680 Satoshi units, we have a strong support line. But if we look at the trading view here, it's disappointing, right? Maybe an hour ago we see that, that's where everything started, when we saw the bounce off. But again, whales could be manipulating individuals who are spreading FUD could be getting paper hands out of their positions. But when you see these long, big candlesticks, we know that typically speaking, that's probably a whale selling off their position, trying to get into Shiba Inu at a better price and continue to spread FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. If we look at the 30-minute, multiple red candles, and 1 minute, looks like a little bit of more green than red. But regardless, guys, I think, again, we are going to get ready for a breakout, but we need these catalysts to come to play. New people are investing into Shiba Inu every single day. So all those individuals who keep saying that it is a scam, it is this, it is that, I always give you guys my own opinion. You can make your own opinion, but don't plague the cryptocurrency space and the Shiba Inu space by saying these things, because ultimately it's hurting people more than it is helping. So if you don't have anything positive to say, then don't say it. That's what I always say. Yes, devil's advocate is a good thing to be, right? Especially when it's appropriate. But in my opinion, again, running sideways right now is not a bad thing. We've been right around that 700 Satoshi unit mark for what seems like a couple weeks, as you guys can see here. Pretty much running sideways. Little down, little dips here and there, little peaks and troughs, but overall, sideways movement. So we're just awaiting the exciting information to drop. So I'm making this video basically not because, again, these are reminders for me to continue to have conviction for a cryptocurrency or a stock, depending on what type of video I'm making. Because although it is tough to stomach the losses, as long as you're putting money you're willing to lose and we see a bounce back, then all that ends up paying off. So again, guys, that's all I really had for you guys today regarding Shiba Inu. Overall crypto market, again, has been doing pretty well. Bitcoin dominance is increasing, and typically speaking, when we see this, the altcoin market tends to also follow. So right now, the headlines are saying El Salvador is accepting and has accepted Bitcoin as a form of cryptocurrency. Understand that, typically speaking, they'll realize that yes, Bitcoin is great, but it has slower transaction speeds and all these things that are more faulty compared to maybe Ethereum, compared to some of these other cryptocurrencies that are, even Shiba Inu, all these other forms of currency that might be even better to utilize due to the fact that they have less fees, due to the fact that they're faster on the blockchain for verification purposes, transaction speeds, all those different things. So just know that that's typically what we see. New investors will get into Bitcoin because that's what they see on the headlines, and then they'll quickly realize, hey, there are some better ones out there. Ethereum being potentially one, because I think, in my opinion, Ethereum one day will be the #1 cryptocurrency. And again, in my opinion, right now Shiba Inu ranked 41st. I think one day it's going to be in the top 10 because of the army that's backing it up. We are the deepest and I think the strongest community right now, and I hope we continue to be so as long as we can get over this hump of a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning into the video. I appreciate all you guys' support. If you haven't already, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, join the journey, almost 40,000 subscribers strong. So thank you so much. And until next time then, keep investing.